starting a new job. This time is roof painting. So for pressure cleaning I use the 15-inch Karcher surface cleaner, and I'm using my extension pole, a big one, because it's a lot easier to work with it. Now I'm gonna start grinding pointings. So I've started grinding the ridge caps, but up here on the top I have a bit of a pickle. There's no bedding at all. So I'm gonna remove all the ridge caps and put the bedding all the way to there, and then go from there, right? When it's dry, I'm gonna scrape her off a little bit more before I put the pointing on. But now I'm gonna do the whip holes in right left corner. Prep is done. Tomorrow morning we're gonna just wash it with water because there's a little bit of dust from grinding all the pointing. Apart from that, everything's ready. All the pointing is finished. We use different color pointings, so it really doesn't matter because we're gonna put the high build primer over it. It's gonna be grey once we put just the first coat of undercoat. So stay tuned, guys, for the final touches.